Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change ringtone on your Android devices. In order to do so, first of all launch settings on your Android devices. Once you come to settings, simply tap on the option of sounds and vibration. Over here on top you'll see the option of ringtone. Tap on it. Now you will see various sounds and options available for ringtones to choose. At the top right corner, you can also choose the option of the plus button. Now from here you can also add a song as your ringtone on your Android devices. For now, I'm simply going to choose one of these options over here. So once you have tapped on that specific option, your ringtone on your Android device will successfully be changed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.